Hey, Spencer here with Loop, and this is how to get your WebSocket information. Loop uses WebSocket information for screen pops and for presence if you have our Pro app. And if screen pops are not working, that means we are not getting the notifications on the incoming calls, which means we are not connected to your WebSockets properly. So what I'm going to do here is show you how to get your WebSocket information to send to us. So typically I have been popping on Zoom calls and manually doing this. What I'd like to do is be able to send this video and then you can just reply back with the WebSocket information. So we try to use the NetSapiens APIs to pull WebSocket connections. There's a number of reasons that I'm not going to get into why that might not work. A lot of them are pertain to the deployment. And so anyways, all I need you to do to get the accurate WebSocket information is log into your portal. So this is a direct NetSapiens account. That's it. So we signed in. Just sign into your portal. So here's an example of what the portal looks like. And running in the background of the portal is your WebSockets. And the reason they do that is so you have presence right here. So to find your WebSocket information, this is super easy. Right click, click inspect. Okay, we got to pull up this menu. Now, there's other ways to pull up this menu, right? In case you're using a Mac, which I'm sorry for that. But if you, that was a joke. If you right click over here, there's I think more tools, and then there's developer tools, which looks like Control Shift I. And then what'll happen? You can see some of my pre-populated data in here. Let me just do that one more time. I'm gonna right click, do inspect. Okay, now we're looking at the code. Your WebSocket information is streamed in this. So if you come over to network, your network tab, so we went from elements to network, and then the immediate kind of response here is to look at all the variables. We want to look for WebSockets, which is this WS. Now to find this, since the WebSocket is already ran and connected, we don't see it in here. What I like to do is just refresh the page. And so what that'll do is show you all the sockets. Here's your WebSocket right here. And you'll see it's WSS alpha netsapiens.com 8001. This is all I need. So just copy this and send me this in an email. Okay? Let me show you all that again. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click anywhere on the site, inspect. We're going to go from elements to network. Inside of network, we're going to click WebSockets. And then once you're on this page, you can click refresh and you can see all the live connections happening in the background of your this page. We're going to go ahead and click socket right here in the middle. I don't know what this bottom one is. It's the same thing. Okay. And you're going to send us your basically what's typically your portal URL and then the socket connection. So this WSS portal URL and this 8001. Now you might be thinking, Spencer, you already have our portal information. Just add the 8001. I'm telling you, if we had it, the screen pops would be working. And the reason I say that is sometimes your WebSockets are, well, to get into the technical part of this, a WebSocket has to be a direct connection and it cannot go through DNS. And that's part of the problem on why we might not be able to pull your WebSocket connection is because you might be using a white label provider or you might be white labeling your portal or things like that nature. And so we can't actually go through the DNS to then be routed to the WebSocket. We have to go directly to the WebSocket. Now, typically we can pull that via the API. In your case, if you're watching this, that means that we probably have a bad connection. What I need you to do is click copy here and drop in an email for me. And we can manually override the connection inside of our portal. So we have an online portal where we can rebuild WebSocket connections in real time. We just need to know your WebSocket connection. Sorry that this video went so long. Right click, inspect, network, WS, refresh, copy paste. Good to go. All right, thanks.